What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the background of Google Chrome in laptop. Okay, you want to go to customize this page. If you don't see this icon here, just go to three dots up here, then go to settings and go to appearance and make sure that show home button. You want to enable this button. Okay, once that happens, you should be able to see this home button here and just click on it, and that would always take you back to the home page, which is obviously Google, your default page. And then you should be able to see the symbol here. So you want to go here and then change theme, and then from here, whatever you want to do, solid colors, example this color, yellow. That will change the background. If you want to upload an image, just go upload image, click your image, open, and then that's it. And that's pretty much it, guys. How to change the background of Google Chrome in laptop. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.